यदा किञ्चिज्ञोऽहं गजैव मदान्तः समभवम् तदा सर्वज्ञोऽस्मीत्यभवदे अवलितं मम मनः यदा किञ्चिल् बुधजनसकाशात् अवगतं तदा मूर्खोऽस्मीति ज्वरैव मदो मे व्यवगतः मदो मे व्यवगतः. This Subhashitam shows how a noble man makes self-assessment. He thinks that so far he was acting like a mad elephant, thinking that he knew everything and nobody possessed knowledge like him. But only when he started mingling with the really learned people, he realized the truth that the knowledge yet to be attained is so huge compared to very limited knowledge possessed by him. At that instant, his madness or false pride disappears like fever goes away. Thus, this Subhashitam clearly shows how one becomes thoroughly disillusioned with the very limited knowledge he possesses, but comes to senses on associating with the really learned people. Thus, the message in the Subhashitam is to know that the field of knowledge on any subject is as vast as ocean, and one should be very careful to be very humble and meek, so that inquisitiveness to know more and more can be kept alive for betterment. Kamal was the son of Sant Kabir Das. He persuaded son to do sadhanas like meditation, fasting, services, etc. from childhood, so that Kamal developed some mystic powers at an early age. One day, Kamal went to river Ganga, had his bath, and as he was returning, saw a man crying loudly. On questioning, he replied that he is suffering from a skin disease and is crying due to severe pain all over his body. Kamal took pity on him and touched his head. Lo, his pain is gone and the disease also vanished instantly. People gathered around there, seeing this wonder act, raised the slogan, Kamal Ki Jai. A jubilant Kamal returned home taking pride in his mystic power. Kabir Das, on seeing his son in a pleasant mood, sought the reason. Kamal explained the whole incident with pride. On hearing this, Kabir Das actually felt very sad about his son's thinking that he knew everything and attained all the siddhis like great yogis. So, Kabir Das wrote a letter to his friend Sant Tulasi Das and asked Kamal to deliver the same to Tulasi Das. Tulsi Das read the letter brought by Kamal. He then directed one of his disciples to bring all the people in the village suffering from skin disease. Soon a large gathering of patients reached there. Tulsi Das took some Tulsi leaves, chanted Ram Ram, and deposited them in a tumbler filled with water. He asked the disciple to sprinkle this Tulsi water over the people gathered there. Disciple did as directed by Tulsi Das. What a surprise! All the people gathered there cured of disease instantly. Kamal was wonderstruck to watch this event before him with utter disbelief. Soon his false pride melted away and prostrated before Tulsi Das for opening his eyes. Thus a little association with Sant Tulsi Das dispelled the darkness of ignorance in Kamal, and he returned home humble and meek to the utter delight of Kabir Das.